Students, today I am going to continue the chapter differentiation, the exercise 6.5 from the book ML Overall. ML Overall for ISC. Okay. The book is ISC book, ML Overall. Chapter name is Differentiation, exercise 6.5. Find the derivative of the following function with respect to x. With respect to x. So the question number, I am writing question number 2. Y is equal to sine of x square plus 1. Therefore, derivative of y with respect to x, that means dy dx of sine x square plus 1. The derivative sine is how much? That is cos of x square plus 1 into dy dx of x square plus 1. That means this will be cos x square plus 1. What is the derivative of x square plus 1? That is 2x. So finally you are getting 2x into cos of x square plus 1. This is the answer of number 2, first part. Okay. Number 2, first part. The second part question given like this. Y is equal to e to the power cos of root x. E to the power cos of root x. Okay. Therefore, dy by dx, derivative differentiating both sides with respect to x, dy by dx of e to the power cos root x. So what is the derivative of e to the power anything? That means e to the power, same thing, e to the power exponential function, and again derivative of cos of root x. The derivative of cos is minus sine. That means you have to write e to the power cos root x. The derivative cos is minus sine root x. Again derivative of root x. Finally you are getting minus e to the power cos root x into sine of root x. The derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root over x. 2 root over x. 1 by 2 root over x. That means final answer is this one. Okay. In this way I have completed number 2, first part, second part. Let us go next number. Number 2, third part. Question given. Write y is equal to sin 3x into sin cube x. Okay. Sin 3x into sin cube x. You can break applying the formula sin 3x. The sin 3x formula is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Again into sin cube x. If I open this one, open the bracket, this will be 3 sin to the power 4x minus 4 sin to the power 6x. After that you will find out derivative. dy by dx. The derivative of 3 is constant, take it outside, coefficient. dy by dx of sin to the power 4x minus 4 dy by dx of sin to the power 6. Okay. Finally the power will come here, that is 12 sin cube x. Again derivative of sin x, that is cos x. Here also same thing, 6 will come outside, 6 for the 24 sin to the power 5x. Again derivative of sin x, that is cos x. Okay. And this is the answer of number 2, third part. Next I am going to the fourth part. See the fourth part question given. Y is equal to cos of 1 minus x square whole square. So what is the derivative of y with respect to dy dx? dy dx of cos 1 minus x square whole square. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Right here minus sin x. That means minus sin 1 minus x square whole square. Again derivative of 1 minus x square whole square. That means this will be 2 will come here, that means minus 2 whole into 1 minus x square sine of 1 minus x square whole square. Again derivative of 1 minus x square. Applying the chain rule. Finally it will be minus 2x, minus 2x here minus, that will minus 4 plus, it will be minus 1 plus 4x 1 minus x square, and this will be sine of 1 minus x square whole square. Okay, the final answer is right. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 4x 1 minus x square into sine of 1 minus x square whole square. This is the answer. In this way I have completed 4 questions of differentiation chapter from the exercise 6.5. Thank you for today class. Next day I will do more solve practice derivative for your coming unit test.